Hello mga bish mga bay! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Beiguan Park, also known as Lanching Park. It's a coastal park located in the northeast of Taiwan, Toching Township. During the Qing dynasty, Beiguan was a military outpost guarding the island area to the south. Today, only an old canyon battery remains to remind visitors of the early missions. The most notable geological features of this area are Cuesta Formation and Tofu Rock. Beiguan Tidal Park is situated on the top of the largest of the cuestas. Just follow the footpath and you can see interesting rocks formation as you enjoy and the founding of waves against the rocky shore.
Ayun yung Turtle Island.
Mas maganda sana diyan sa likod, kaya lang pauwi na kami. At nagmamadali na kami, di na kami tumuloy dun sa likuran kasi baka may iwanan kami ng sasakyan. Kakaibang forma ng bato na to. May tawag sila dito pero iba ang meaning yung private part ng babae. At yun lang po guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!